Human rights and environmentalist activist Jodha Heikrujam has drawn the attention of United Nations Permanent Forum on Indigenous Issues, in short UNPFII, regarding ongoing Manipur crisis and on violation of rights of indigenous people in Manipur. Jodha Heikrujam made the intervention during 24th United Nations Permanent Forum on Indigenous Issues held at UN headquarters in New York yesterday. In his address, Jodha informed that the Meitei people have been marginalized under the graph of national security, militarization and economic diplomacy. While highlighting the role of women in Manipur, Jodha Heikrujam maintained that over 30,000 women and girls are languishing in refugee camps under pathetic conditions and are made to survive on $1.4 per head per day as allowance. He also highlighted the unchecked powers given to security forces under Armed Forces Special Powers Act, while drawing contrast on the swift actions taken by Centre in Pahalgam terror attack with non-action in Manipur. Jodha accuses Centre of ignoring the people of crisis-hit Manipur. Further, Jodha Heikrujam urged Special Rapporteur of UNPFII to intervene with the Government of India and ensure accountability for state and non-state actors, to form a Truth and Reconciliation Commission to address war crimes. He also urged for intervention with Government of India to push for revocation of AFSPA, to disband Sioux groups, to implement NRC and to restore indigenous land rights.
I urge the Madam Chair and Special Rapporteur to intervene with our Indian states member. A Truth and Reconciliation Commission must address war crimes, ensure accountability for state and non-state actors, revoke AFSPA, disband Sioux groups, restore indigenous land rights, and implement the NRC to curb illegal immigrations, protecting indigenous demography. Madam Chair, no UNCEDAO compliance specialist under Article 1 and 2 is achievable without resolving Manipur's crisis. The dignity and survival of our indigenous people are non-negotiable. I thank you, Madam Chair.
Combined team of